Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. So from any screen, you've got telephone at the top. We're on sat nav at the moment, but telephone is top right button, so we click telephone. And then you've got Bluetooth menu. We click Bluetooth menu. And here you can see Bluetooth add new device or my phone, which is paired. But you've got this setting sign at the side like a cog or something. So we knock the iDrive across and that brings up a new display. Configure device or remove device. Remove device. That's it gone.